shit I wanna get across. They don't wanna see me get my message out. They don't want that, but they want this. I'm not the waiter at a restaurant, a lot on my plate, if that's the case. I better hit him with the extra sauce. Everybody's aiming at me, but I only shoot a shot when a boy finally get a shot. Put that red dot on my head, yeah. Just take a shot and I'm dead, yeah. I can't be tied to the ledge. I might just follow the edge. Ooh, every day you wanna play, I wanna make, you wanna take. I wanna give you my life, but you stuck in it for the mistakes, yeah. Red dot, camera, better get that headshot. You dead wrong if you think that I could press pause. I'm like stop, they like nah, they like let's watch. Red dot, camera aiming at my head, pop. Red dot, I just wanna be one of them, one of them. Yeah, I've been here so long, 4 months on a song, just to throw the shit all away. Been like that all along, cause the expectations rise with the numbers, but it's still one, I'm the only one. Gets under my skin and tears my bones apart, no Napoleon. I press upload and unload, trying to tell a story that's untold. Getting downloads when I'm down low, trying to keep up the household. I'm 17, they like how old? He's washed up, he's about old. Name a single rapper, he's outsold. It's a no from me like Cowboy, Better say cheese, better say please. Fuck that song, man, better make these. You been down, better take these. Better wake up, I'ma stay asleep. Used to wake up in a blissful existence. Now I wake up in the morning like I'm wishing I didn't. Oh.
I've been telling mad stories. Is it cool if I tell a little bit of my story? Yeah. Never fitting in, somehow he got used to sticking out. Saw a dumb giving out from these things that he's written about. Open up his mouth, nobody cared what he's spitting about. He did bad at school, so his mom was giving him whippings out. She knew he had drive, but he was going a different route. So that's when she kicked him out, had to live in a different house. Pops was a rapper, so he imagined that he could vouch for that lifestyle where music he couldn't live without. Double right, good Fruity Loops produced with a broken mouse. Recorded a rap over that, but guess what it's spoken about? Money, 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 gun bars and getting women. Had the lyrics and the rhythm, yet and still he had no vision. Father said, produce that shit, just ain't where you gifted. So he challenged him and Big Brother on a song that he ripped it, but he didn't. Big Brother clowned him in and made him hate himself. Big Brother stopped laughing and told him don't ever play yourself. You can't make it rapping about ladies, RPGs and wealth. Leave that on the shelf, pick his pad up and just be yourself. Back to MJ, yeah he still rap but he for the clothes to get paid. Then he did the math on min wage like no way. He get old day and 95 if no rent paid. So he was a school with a mixtape he would display, but he got discouraged from hearsay when his friends hate. He was leaving like Kunta Kinte, but didn't say he wasn't ever gonna be nothing, not even midway famous. He just wanted to be appreciated, so he walked up to somebody like homie I'm not the greatest, but I got a little tape for $5 and I made it. All the beats and all the lyrics engineered it, so just play it. That guy put his hands out like he was ready to take it. Smile faded from his face and then he slapped the tape away and said, get that out of here, your music weak, get out my face. You're in the space, you sound like rapper, you're never gonna be great. A couple days, and a year later he had his first show. Super nervous about his verses, cause he learned to get the flow. Brother called and said, you ready? So he told him, I don't know. He said, somehow you a savage, let him have it, you a pro. If you plan on going big and wanna travel on the globe, then this show the first of many, showed him what you gotta stow. 100 something shows later, 1 million streams and getting dough. And that kid that dissed him asking for a feature on his phone. See what being yourself gets you.
Iceland through a stunning landscape of glaciers, waterfalls, fjords, and volcanoes. You can experience that Icelandic adventure right here in Vancouver. Buckle in for a brand new flight ride at Flyover Canada with immersive special effects like wind, mist, and scents that make you feel like you're actually there. Book your tickets now at flyovercanada.com.
Hi, it's Fido. Looking for a great deal on a phone? Get the phone of your dreams with $0 down and 0 interest on select plans with the Fido payment program. Call in a good deal. Check it out at fido.ca today.
Yeah, I swear they only love me when I'm not there. I know you trust me, but I don't care. I swear that I don't care. I know you love me, but I don't care. You know I was born up at the top floor, but I came out at the basement. Mom wanted me to be a doctor, but I came out as a patient. Now I get 1,000 DMs every day. I had a fan telling me that I saved him, saying that he loving everything I make, and I couldn't take a single second out my day to make his. I'm just getting number every time I see my numbers, every time I see the bottom, every time we see each other, every time I pop a bottle, every time I hit the lotto, every time I see tomorrow. I just really want another. I'm just stuck between the gutter and the rain and the pain that I'm feeling, but it's something in the same kind of vein that I'm healing from. I wonder why I feel so little, cause I ain't been on the top. I think I'm somewhere in the middle. I swear, they only love me when I'm not there. I know you trust me, but I don't care. I swear that I don't care. I know you love me, but I don't. So what, hole in my soul that shit looking like a donut. Yeah, you and me can laugh together, but I don't think that that's gonna put it back together. I've been living like I'm stuck under the covers. I know this don't make them proud, but I know they gon' need another and another and another and another and another. Like I'm DJ Khaled with a motherfucking stutter. Okay, yeah. Today I woke up, grabbed my phone to check the gram, I started scrolling. Got a message from a dude without a profile picture. Shit was long as fuck, I thought that he was trolling, so I tried to swipe it out, but accidentally must have opened. I said fuck it, guess I'll read it now that it's already loaded. Had a sudden premonition, but it faded in a moment, so I focused, started reading. Let me try my best to quote it as he wrote it. It said, my homie was a huge fucking fan, used to play his shit every day. He struggled with depression and he told me that the music was the thing that always set him straight. But I guess it must have gotten too much for him. Killed himself a couple months back, it's felt so fucking long. But it reminded me of him when you popped up on my page, and I went and started listening to a couple songs. So keep doing you, bro. He followed up with a post from his friend. It was a screenshot of my track. I clicked the profile full of RIPs and the comments, shit I couldn't even stomach looking at. But all of a sudden in an instant everything felt grimmer. Read the name again and realized it sounded familiar. Clicked the DM to see if he had talked to me before. Saw this was the same kid I consciously ignored a couple months ago. I swear they only love me when I'm not there. I know you trust me, but I don't care. I swear that I don't care. I know you love me, but I don't. There's no reason to be mad at me. That's just how it has to be.
Once friends turn to foes, they be acting funny till they see you up now. If I'm taking shots at an enemy, the only time I bust down, I need a wise one.